To access your responses, you need to come to the toolbar along the left-hand side of the screen and select this icon here. This will bring you to a list of all the responses that have taken your scorecard. You've got two options. You can access them here, or you can push them across into particular CRM systems. To set this up, just check out our tutorial that we have on CRM integration. So to download the data directly, you can apply some filters. You can filter by date, status, and that's whether somebody has completed it or not. You've then got questions, and these are the questions that appear as a drop down on your lead form. You'll be able to filter and sort by those particular questions. And also source. So if you're using UTM parameters, you'll be able to filter by the particular code that you're looking for. You would then just be able to hit export, and that will download the data as a CSV. We also have some extra information about each of the responses, so name, email address, and if we hover over this icon, it will show you how many times this particular lead has attempted to take the scorecard. It also shows you the date and time they began taking the scorecard, how long it took them, and if you see a smiley face with a percentage, that means they completed the scorecard and that was their overall score. If you see a slightly less happy looking face, they didn't complete the scorecard, but it will show you what question they got to. So in this particular case, I got up to answer question 5 out of the possible 50 questions. I can then click to have a look further at each particular response, and this will show me an overview of the overall score and the scores in each category for this particular person and what score tier they fell into. I can then select answers from across the top, and this is particularly useful if you're having a sales call with people. You want to have this in front of you for that particular conversation. So this is a list of all the questions, how they answered them, and how long it took them. I could also select activity, which will show me the journey, which will typically be landing page visited, scorecard completed, results page visited. We'll then have the source, so that will tell you where that particular response has come from. So useful if you've got multiple landing pages, for example. We've also got some further options at the top here. So if I click on this one, this will remove the name and email address from the lead, and also any previously sent links to result pages will no longer work. So that gives you the option. You could also delete particular leads. And then, as well as having the answers in front of you, if you want to view the results page that particular lead would have received, or the PDF, if you have that feature, you can click here and select view the results or view the PDF if you have that feature.